Hey guys, welcome to question FM264 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, consider the graph below and then gives us this graph here. We're then asked which one of the following planar graphs can be redrawn as the graph above, and then we're given 5 options. So the first in multiple choice questions, it usually pays to use deduction or eliminate options just as much as it works to find the correct option. So what we're going to start off with is finding the degree of each vertex. So we've got a 3, a 2, 4, 3, 2, which means that our original graph is going to have degrees of 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. And then we're going to compare this to the degrees of our 5 options and try and eliminate some options from the get-go if we can. So what you'll notice as you find the degrees of each of the 5 vertices in the first 3 of our options is that they will have the same degrees. However, once we get to D and E, we start to see that we get different degrees at the vertices, meaning that they cannot be potential options for our answer. So just through that one little exercise, we'll eliminate options D and E from the running. So we're only going to be looking at graphs in A, B, and C. So just to quickly write those down, or at least draw a little bit of a layout of what they look like. What do we have here? So we have A, which looks like this, drawings, but I'm sure you get the idea. We've got B. So there are a few ways that you can answer these questions. This is just the way that I like. So here are our 3 options, A, B, and C, that we have left. Now, this is the part where, since each of the vertices has the same degree, or has the same set of degrees, we're going to be looking at how those vertices connect to one another. So, for example, you'll notice that in our graph up here, that this vertex of 2 connects to a vertex of 3 and another vertex of 3. So that 2 connects to this 3 and this 3. And this 2 also connects to this 3 and the 4. So when we look at option B, we can see that this vertex of 2 is directly connected to another vertex of 2, which isn't happening in our original graph, meaning that B is not our correct option. What you'll also notice looking at our original graph is that our 4 connects to a 3, with 2 of its edges connecting into that 3. It connects to a 2, and it connects to a 3. So it connects to a 3, a 2, and a 3, but it does not connect directly to this 2. However, in graph C, we can see that the 4 has one arm going to each of the other vertices. So it has one going to a 2, a 3, and a 3, meaning that it also is not our correct option. If you were to compare each of the vertices and how they connect from our original graph to option A, you would see that we have the same connections forming. So for example, this 4 connecting to a 3, and a 2. This 4 here connects to a 3, and a 2. Our 2's aren't connecting to one another. Option A is our correct answer for FM264. If you guys have any questions about that, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.